so here we have here we have 4 units here at I guess this is this is a preschool here. Here's a Bryant legacy line. Heat pump. It's an LG screw. There's the reversing valve right there. Broad Ocean family. 2022. This is newer. 3-ton, I think. Has not been running. This is American Standard Gold Series. This thing's pretty. Oh, this was just been running. You can see the lines and the accumulators all sweaty. So let it scroll. Yeah, that suction accumulator is very sweaty. I'm not sure what motor this is. I'm not sure what motor this is. There's the reversing valve. It's yeah, it's been running. Hopefully it doesn't startle me. Oh yeah, when this thing's from 2016, 4-ton. And here's this Trane XR13 right here. Wow, it's a massive blanket. Don't know what motor it has. It comes off relatively easy. Trane XR13, Trane XR13 and XB. Trane XR and XB13s. Alright, and I can't find the motor. This thing just turned on, sweet. This Trane XB13 right here, I think just turned on. Nice. This thing I don't think has been running. This is a heat pump? I can't find the reversing valve. I don't think this is a heat pump, weirdly, because these other 2 are heat pumps. Yeah, at first I thought this one turned on, but this one turned on. So yeah, here's this one that's not running. Laptop reset. You can definitely tell by the sound. 2008, 4-ton. Or what's the year on this one? 2007, 3.5 ton. It's very cold and sweaty already. This thing is a heat pump. Definitely come back this winter and get a few of these, try for a defrost of these heat pumps. Yeah. And the motor data, that's an Emerson motor. And it's also an Emerson. So yeah, here are these ones, right here. These 4. Or should I get this one? I should get this from the other side. That's expensive. This side's better. There. Screenshot those. There. And then there's an American Standard Silver Series. It's American Standard over here. And a Trane XR right there. Oh, and another one. It's 3. There's 2 other units hiding. So here's an American Standard. Oh my god. It's wet trees. American Standard Silver Series. This thing looks newer. LG. I can't tell. I don't know what motor that is. It's been running. That's a heat pump. To try and get around here. It's really hard to get around here. Jeez. 2019, 3-ton. Oh, alright. Here's this little one right here. It's XR13. It's a GE motor. Big climate tough recip, I think, in 2008. 1.5 ton. Kind of big for 1.5 ton, but I'll roll with it. Now this thing I think has actually been running. It's an extra 13. There it is, big Climatef recip in there with a blanket over it. 2008 4-ton GE motor. This thing, I think the reversing valves. I think this thing is a heat pump. Yeah, it's a heat pump. This thing might scare me. This thing, that's very safe. Wow, it's sad. And that's even safer. Gosh, you keep kicking these lines on accident. Try to get around. Whoa. This thing just turned on. This thing does. This thing, wow, this motor's kind of slow. The hell? This fan motor's kind of messed up. And this probably has the almost dead run cap. Look how slow that fan's spinning. That's very slow. And yeah, I was trying to get a picture of all three of these, and then I'll end the video. But that's really weird that one has a dying run cap. I can try to get all three of these. It's gonna be very hard though. Okay, there, I guess. Right there we go. Picture, that one has a dying run cap. Let's check if any other here started up. If any others, any other heat pumps. This one's still on. Nope, nothing else. Alright, anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out. Oh, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.